everyone. I think most you know that Pavliniaks, the lead developer of WCUE, has recently released a teaser video called WCUE Expansion Teaser 1. If you haven't watched it already, let me show you. As you could see, this isn't anything like our original WCUE. The style, animation, environment, and even the models are all reworked. Is this a separate game? Is this going to replace the forest territories? Is this just an expansion and update to WCUE? Well, ID key. But we do have some information. The devs have confirmed that we will be able to play the legacy version of WCUE when this releases. And our morphs and game passes will be transferred, and we won't have to rebuy the game passes. Though, our morphs will not look so accurate, as the style is very different from WCUE. I don't really know how to feel about this update. What are your opinions? Let me know in the comments.